Hi, my name is Juan Pablo Ortiz, and I'll be reading about my English project. Rural regions, primary sectors, agriculture, forestry, mining, and fisheries provide the foundation for economic activity, but they play a large economic role than this, and their economies are far more complex. Rural regions are an important location for manufacturing, and most rural workers in OECD countries are now employed in service sectors, including tourism, healthcare, education, finance, and public administration. Rural areas also contribute to the quality of life of society as a whole because they contain important public or quasi-public goods, such as clean environments, attractive landscapes, and cultural heritage. To accommodate the changing circumstances of rural waters, ferns, and places, the approach to rural development in OECD countries can be best described as a modernizing and adapting. Rural policy has had to evolve beyond the traditional sector-based model, with its almost exclusive focus on agriculture. Today, rural development policies are embracing more strategies that have an spatial context, that give priority to investment over subsidies, and that encourage a partnership-based multi-stakeholder policy design and implementation framework. The framework that is emerging from this shift is often referred to in OECD countries as the New Rural Paradigm (MRP), and the early ebb and flow of these changes was set out in a 2006 OECD publication with the same title. At its core, the ARP represents an approach to rural policy that is grounded in current rural conditions and opportunities. In rural areas, recent analysis for national policy framework to promote rural development to the prints of the NRP reinforce these trends, notably the increase in multi-sectoral place-based strategy that identified and better exploited the development potential of rural areas. Yet while the paradigm itself may no longer be new, more than half a decade since it was formulated, it remains highly relevant as a government have often been faster to pick up the language of the NRP than the practice. Thus, the challenge of completing the transition in rural policies remains. It is widely believed that the future prosperity of rural regions will be driven by enterprise, innovation, and new technologies tailored to markets and applied to the new and old industries.